Oh no! My tummy is roaring!
Hey there, Bumpy. Need something to eat?
A snack, perhaps? Hi, Bumpy! Guess what? We're baking a Mega Berry Muffin. It will be ready in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes? That's forever!
Don't worry, Bumpy. Let's wait nicely. Uh-oh, that didn't work.
I love this.
Me too, this is perfect.
We should do this again.
Definitely.
Ding, ding! The muffin is ready!